Hi, my dear spirited minds. Hope you all are doing great. Dear friends, all the adversity I have had in my life, all my troubles and obstacles have strengthened me. You may not realize it when it happens, but a kick in the teeth may be the best thing in the world for you. This quote was said by Walt Disney. Friends, he says all the troubles what he faced and challenging situations he faced in his life has strengthened him. It is very much true, friends. But the matter is how we will handle those tough situations. Friends, we all have troubles and challenging situations in our lives. While facing those tough situations, sometimes the pressure will be so much that some of us may think to give up on our dreams. Friends, don't do that. Instead of losing hope and giving up on your dreams, what will happen if you take on those challenging situations with a positive mindset in a positive way? The same troubles and tough situations will transform into stepping stones of your success. This is what proved in the life of Walt Disney, friends. Walt Disney was born on 5th December 1901. His interest in drawing began when he was 4 years old. Once his neighborhood doctor asked him to draw an image of a horse. When Walt Disney drew the image of a horse, it came so nicely, doctor appreciated it very much. Encouraged by this, since then, he began to observe his surroundings and whatever caught his attention and imagination, Walt Disney used to draw. And his family members also encouraged his drawings. Since then, day by day, his passion for drawing grew. Friends, Walt Disney's family is a very poor family. To support his family, from the age of 7, yes, my dear friends, from the age of 7, Walt Disney used to sell his drawings to his friends, his family friends, and in the nearby neighborhood area, so that he can raise some money to the family. Not only that, friends, he used to get up early in the morning by 4:30, along with his brother Roy. He used to go to a nearby railway station. There he will sell newspaper and snacks until the school time. Then he will attend the school. After the school, he will sell snacks in the evening too, to help his family. This he did it until he was 16 years old. At that time, World War I was going on, and whenever war takes place, there develops a passion and strong desire in the youth to join in the army. The same happened to Walt Disney too. Walt Disney wanted to join the army, but he was rejected as he was underage. He was just 16 years old, and the required age is 17 years. Without losing hope, after some time, he joined Red Cross Society as a driver, ambulance driver. In that capacity, he worked for 1 year. While working as a driver, he contributed some cartoons and drawings to the army newspaper too. After the war came to an end, he joined in a newspaper, but the newspaper editor dismissed him, stating that he don't have imagination and creative skills. Without losing hope, he, along with his friend Iwerks, started his own studio, very small studio, but they wanted to do business on their own, but it failed miserably. Then he joined Kansas City Film Ad Company. For a few months he worked there, but his creativity and his drawing couldn't appreciate his drawing. So from there from there also he was dismissed again. Without losing hope, second time he started his own business with his friends. And second time when he started business, he created Alice in Wonderland and La Fougramme series. It met with little success, but that was not sufficient to run the business. So again he was forced to close the business second time too. At this time he was 22 years old. Friends, many people who face these many tough situations and setbacks normally will give up on their dreams, but not Walt Disney. He wanted to test his luck on a larger scale, so he set out to Hollywood. There, every day he used to visit studios and he tried to sell his Alice in Wonderland series. Every studio rejected it until Margaret J. Winkler took his project, and he worked with them for 5 years. And while working with them, he created Oswald the Lucky Rabbit. It became a phenomenal success, and it brought more profits and money too. After 5 years, Walt Disney expected a fee hike because the business is running smoothly, and he expected more fee for his services. But unfortunately, instead of raising his fee, they forced him to work for low fee. And he asked, okay, I am ready to go, and they give me my rights of Oswald the Lucky Rabbit. And deceitfully, they took all his rights. Until then, whatever he's created, all the rights they took in a cheating way. Imagine how much pain it would have been to Walt Disney at that time. All his hard work went in vain. Yet many people would have will lose hope on their life. But Walt Disney, without losing hope, he went on creating a new character. He wanted to innovative. So he created Mortimer the Mouse, which later on we all know popularly as Mickey Mouse. From there is no looking back, friends. He created many animated series like Donald Duck, Alice in Wonderland series, and Jungle Book, which won hearts of millions of people. And he went on to create the Disney Empire, which today it is worth more than $130 billion, friends. Friends, had he would have given up on his dreams somewhere until he met the success at the final stage, we would have the opportunity to watch these animations, Mickey Mouse and Alice in Wonderland, Jungle Book. Millions of people's hearts it won. That heart and hard work, that art, what he loved, and his passion didn't allowed him to stop. He believed in his dreams. Friends, we all should take a cue from the life of Walt Disney. We all have dreams. We shouldn't give up on our dreams, friends. Please, sometimes it is inevitable that in our life we will be facing problems. A thought will come in our mind that let us, instead of continuing our chase on our dreams, let us give up. Please don't do that, friends. Hang on. Because very soon you are going to meet your dreams. Very soon you are going to achieve your success. And you will be an inspiring icon in the society, friends. Wishing you all success in all your endeavors. This is Durga Eragunta signing off. Thank you.